So, yeah, speaking of super buds, diba, si Catherine and Alden naman, what do you think,
I
diba?
haven't
Crossover
seen
of, mm-hmm.
I haven't seen their movie, but I watched the first part. The second part ako, hindi ko pa alam. But
Mm-hmm.
na-late ako. But I am looking forward to watch it.
Mm-hmm.
Kilig. Ever since naman their first movie, Hello, Love, Goodbye, pa lang,
Mm-hmm.
sobrang kilig na. And exciting kasi second movie na nila. And
Mm-hmm.
nakikita ko dumadaan sa reels ko, parang ibang level yung pag-aayos ng mga damit nila. Ha? Or
Mm-hmm.
medyo si Alden, medyo particular sa hindi masilipan si Catherine, yung gano'n.
Mm-hmm.
Nakikita ka lang yung sweet lang.
Yeah. How about, Don Bell?
Don Bell!
Na may Don Bell joke dyan.
Ever since I'm a fan, Can't Buy Me Love pa lang. I watch them kasi my partner is Chinese.
Mm-hmm.
So, yun, tinignan namin yung Can't Buy Me Love. Curious lang kami nung pinanood namin sa Netflix. Ang dami niya lang episodes, but ang cute-cute nila.
Mm-hmm.
And amazingly, they really performed there. Sana nga magkaroon na ulit sila ng serye. Sana maka-work
malay
na
mo.
sila.
Oo.
Saka I am in a group chat with
PBB nga.
with Anthony, Sir Anthony Pangilinan,
Mm.
the dad,
Yeah.
of Don. And sobrang, that's why Don is like that.
Mhm.
I'd say, he was really raised well
Mhm.
by parents na very religious. And sobra, I mean,
Mhm.
a lot of things I think that Don's parents do, hindi siya na kikita, but they're doing a lot of charity, they're helping out. Sometimes I just see sa group chat namin ng Bible sa EBS. We have a group chat kasi for that. And
Bible?
Bible study namin sa, nandun sila, Miss Regine,
Sila siguro andun din sila, Jonathan Manalo.
Yung
Yeah,
mga
oo.
So, yun, parang, he's raised well, I guess.
Mm-mm.
Kaya ganun. I'm a fan of their family.
Mhm.
Yun.
Yeah, so if ever, diba, magpapatuloy-tuloy, paakyat ng iyong career, hopefully. So, sino yung mga top 3 actresses sa Philippine TV or, cinema na, yun nga, parang in a way, gusto mo maging role model or gusto mong maabot yung naabot nila?
I worked with Miss Erich Gonzalez kasi for La Vida Elena. I was her best friend there. And it's a long lock-in shoot, and I really admire her take sa show business and personal life. So, yun, I really look up to her as an actress and as a person. So, siya, and of course, I've worked with her one time also, Miss Isa Casado. Sana I get there. She's a very effective actress and a good person. Because she's my old Darna.
Wow.
Ayun, yung old Darna, di ba? Nakawork ko siya doon. And Ate Dimples Ruana. Yun. So yun yung top 3 ko. Si Ate Dimples Ruana, I think no explanation needed why. She's so inspirational. And I love working
She's
with
so
her.
nice.
Yes, a viral scandal.
Yeah.
And I can, this vlog will not end me telling how nice she is. Ayun, I wish I could return some of the things she did for me also someday.
Thank you, Asna.